Hello friends, in the last video we have proved some criterion to show that two triangles are similar. First one is what? AAA criterion, second one is SSS criterion, and third one is SAS criterion. AAA criterion is also called as what? AA. We have already discussed all this part in detail in the last video. Even in one video we have proved BPT and converse of BPT. Now using all these results we are solving example from next exercise, exercise number 6.3. So in question number first, total 6 examples are given. In each example pair of triangles are given to us. So here also one pair of triangle is given to us. We have to check that these two triangles are similar or not. If they are similar, then by which criterion these two triangles are similar. So let us begin with the first example. Here we can observe that two triangles are given to us. One is triangle ABC and another is triangle PQR. So in these two triangles, in triangle ABC and triangle, while writing second triangle, you have to write down the correspondence also very carefully. Here we can observe that angle A is 60 degree, angle P is also equals to 60 degree. Means angle A is equal to angle P. Here B is 80 degree, here Q is 80 degree. Means angle B and Q are equal, and angle C is 40 degree, angle R is also 40 degree. Means C is equals to R. So means corresponding angle of A is P here. A corresponding angle of B is what? Q, and corresponding angle of C is angle R. So that here if we are saying that these two triangles are similar, means which is the corresponding angle of A is P, B is what? Q, C is what? R. In the same way corresponding side of AB is what? PQ, corresponding side of BC is what? QR, and corresponding side of AC is what? PR. Easily we are able to find out the corresponding parts also. Now in this case angle A is equals to angle P, it is given to us. Angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. All these things are shown in the figure. Means three angles of first triangle are equal to three angles of second triangle. This implies that these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar by which criterion? By AAA criterion. So in this way we have shown that two triangles are similar, and in every example we have to check whether given pair of triangle is similar or not. Now observe the example number second. Here also two triangles are given to us. First we are considering triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, and while writing second triangle, observe the correspondence very carefully. Now here if you will observe the given condition, length of sides of first triangle are 2, 3 and 2.5, and here 4, 5 and 6. If you observe the smallest side of this triangle is 2 and here 4. What is the ratio of 2 and 4? 2 and 4 is 1 by 2. Which is the greatest side here? 3, and here greatest side is 6. Here ratio of this side is also what? 3 upon 6 means 1 by 2, and remaining two sides are these one. Ratio of 2.5 and 5 is also 1 by 2. Means we can say that sides ratio of corresponding sides are equal. That's why we can say that these two triangles are similar by SSS criterion. But while writing second triangle, write down the vertices in such a way that correspondence should be clear here. So now angle A, this angle A is included in which two sides? Having length 2 and 3, and which is the corresponding side of 2? 2 is 4 and 3 is what? 6. Means here angle included in these two sides is what? Q. So that's why we can say that corresponding angle of angle A will be equals to Q. So first write down here Q. Hope the correspondence is clear to you. So angle A is included in which two sides? 2 and 3, and their corresponding sides are what here? 4 and 6. And in these two sides, which angle is included? Q. So means corresponding angle of angle A is Q. In the same way, we are finding corresponding angle of angle B. So now here B is included in which two sides? 2 and 2.5. Corresponding side of 2 is here 4 and 2.5 is what? 5. And which is the angle included in these two sides? R. So means here corresponding angle of angle B is R. Lastly, write down the remaining third vertex, that is P. So write down this correspondence very carefully if the triangles are similar. So now here we can say that AB upon what? QR. is equals to 1 by 2. Again here we can observe that BC upon what? PR. BC upon PR is also equals to, better way simplified, substitute the values also. AB is how much? 2. Then QR is how much? 4. Will be equals to 1 by 2. Then consider the second corresponding side, BC, and what? Its corresponding side is here PR. So here also you are easily able to observe the correspondence BC and what? PR. So here their ratio will be equals to 2.5 upon 5 will be equals to 1 by 2. And lastly, find out the ratio of third side, that is AC and PQ. AC upon PQ will be equals to, what is AC? 3, and this is 6. So 3 upon 6 will be equals to 1 by 2. So means we can say that ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So therefore AB upon QR will be equals to BC upon PR will be equals to AC upon PQ. So this implies that these two triangles are similar. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP by which criterion? SSS. Remember that writing correspondence is very important if the two triangles are what? Similar. So hope you are getting it. Using same method we are solving remaining examples. So let us try to solve the next question. Question number 3rd. In this case also, when here pair of triangle is given to us, let us check whether this pair of triangle is similar or not. Here if you observe, the smallest side is 2 and here smallest side is 4. And what is the ratio of 2 and 4? Will be 1 by 2. Here greatest side is 6 and here greatest side is 3. And ratio of 3 and 6 is also 1 by 2. And now observe the remaining two sides, 2.7 and 5. Definitely their ratio is not equals to what? 1 by 2. Means we can say that sides are not in proportion. And since the sides are not in proportion, we can say that these two triangles are not similar. So first consider this triangle. So in triangle, first we are considering triangle LMP and triangle. Here we can observe that two triangles are not similar, but till we will try to write down proper correspondence here. So now corresponding side of 2 is what? 4 and 3 is what? 6. And which is the angle included between these two sides is P and these two sides is what? D. Means corresponding angle of P is angle D. Now corresponding angle, so this L is included in 2.7 and 3. Here its correspondence is 5 and 6. Means here corresponding angle L is F. And definitely which is the remaining third vertex is what? FE. Okay. Now in these two triangle, here we can say that MP upon DE. So MP upon DE will be equals to 2 by 4 will be equals to 1 by 2. Now we are finding ratio of this corresponding side, LP upon DF will be equals to. Now here its value is equal to, length of this side is 3 and length of DF will be equal to 6 will be equals to 1 by 2. Now we are finding ratio of third corresponding side, that is LM and EF. LM upon EF will be equals to 2.7 and here this side will be equals to 5. Now here already it is in the simplest form. So here we can observe that this implies that MP upon DE is equals to what? LP upon DF, but it is not equals to what? LM upon EF. And since the corresponding sides are not in proportion, so this implies that these two triangles are not similar. So therefore triangle LMP and triangle, which is the second triangle, FED, triangle FED are not similar. Now observe the next example. In this next example, here two sides and included angle, here also two sides and included angle is given to us. If you will observe the included angles are of same measure, 70 degree. Now check whether the two sides are in proportion or not. Which is the smallest side here? 2.5. Here smallest side is 5. And ratio of 2.5 and 5 will be equals to what? 1 by 2. And ratio of 5 and 10 is also what? 1 by 2. Means given two sides are in proportion and included angle is also what? Equal. That's why we can say that these two triangles are similar by what? SAS. SAS test. So let us consider first triangle here. In triangle MNL and triangle. Now we are considering here another triangle and we are writing second triangle in such a way that the correspondence should not get disturbed. Here corresponding angle of M is what? Q here. So because both the angles are of 70 degree. Now MN, better we write down here, N is here. So now MN means this side, corresponding side of MN is what? Will be equals to QP. So QP, and lastly write down third vertex R. Now in this two triangle, here we can say that angle M is equals to angle Q. So will be equals to 70 degree. Both the angles are equal to each other. It is given to us. Now we are finding ratio of ML and PQ. So ratio of MN and PQ will be equals to 2.5 upon 5 will be equals to 1 by 2. Now let us consider the third side ML and here QR. Substitute the values. Here value is 5 and here value will be equals to 10 and this ratio is also equals to 1 by 2. So this implies that MN upon PQ will be equals to ML upon QR. So here two sides are in proportion and their included angles are also equal. That's why we can say that these two triangles are similar. So this implies that triangle MNL is similar to triangle, to which triangle? QPR. By which criteria? SAS criteria. So well, remaining two example we will try to solve using same method. So well, let us try to solve the example number 5th. If you'll observe here, smallest side is 2.5 and here smallest side is 5 and ratio of 2.5 and 5 will be equals to 1 by 2. Here another side is given to us 3 and here 6. So ratio of 3 and 6 is also what? 1 by 2. And here this angle 80 is included between these two given sides. But here angle 80 is not included in given two sides. So that's why to apply SAS test, what is the important thing? Two sides and included angle. So here two sides and this angle is included in these two sides, but here this angle is not included in given two sides. That's why we cannot say that these two triangles are what? Similar. So first consider here triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC and triangle. So now here better way consider this AB is what? 2.5. So here DF will be its corresponding side. So DFE. Already the triangles are not similar. So correspondent does not play that much important role here. So now here we can say that AB upon DF will be equals to AB upon DF will be equals to BC upon what? EF. And these ratios are equals to 1 by 2, but angle which is the included angle here F, its corresponding angle should be what? B, because B is included in these two sides. So which is not equals to angle B. We cannot say that these two angles are equal because angle B is not given here. So not equal since angle B is not given. Okay. And that's why we can say that these two triangles are not similar. So therefore triangle ABC and triangle DFE are not similar. Now consider the second example. In the second example, two angles of a triangle is given to us. One angle is 80 degree and here also one angle is 80 degree. So we can say that angle E is equal to angle Q. And another angle is what? 70 degree. But here third angle is not given to us, and here also only two angles are given, here also only two angles are given to us. But if two angles are given to us, then third angle can be find out applying angle sum property of a triangle. So in a triangle, if two angles are given to us, then third angle. So let us check what is the addition of these two angles. 80 plus 70 will be equals to 150. 150 plus 30 will be equals to what? 180. Means definitely third angle should be here 30 degree. So first let us try to find out measure of third angle. Here if this angle is 30, here already one angle is given to us 30 degree. So we can say that these two triangles are similar by AA criterion. So but to prove that, we have to prove that this angle is what? 30 degree. So first we are considering here triangle DEF and we are trying to find out measure of angle F. So here in triangle DEF, angle D plus angle E plus angle F will be equals to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. Okay. Now we are substituting the values. Angle D is equal to how much? 70 degree. Plus angle E is how much? 80 degree. Plus angle F, keep it as it is, on this side 180 degree also as it is. This implies that angle F is equal to 180 degree. Here the addition of these two angles will be equals to 150 plus 150 on this side will become minus 150 degrees. So this implies that angle F will be equals to what? 30 degree. In this way we have shown that this angle will be of what? 30 degree. Now if you observe these two triangles, angle E is equal to angle Q and F is equal to what? R. Means two angles of first triangle are equal to two angles of a second triangle. Then if two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, at that time we can say that definitely third angle is also equal. Means these two triangles are similar by which criterion? AA criterion. So first consider angle DEF. So in triangle DEF and triangle, which is the corresponding angle of angle D. So definitely this angle will be, we are able to prove that this angle is also 70 degree using what? Angle sum property, but not necessary to find this angle. So corresponding angle of angle D will be equals to P here. Corresponding angle of E will be equals to what? Q. And corresponding angle of F will be equals to what? R. So in these two triangles, we can say that angle E is equals to angle Q. So because each angle is of what? 80 degree. And what is second condition? F is equals to R. Angle F is equals to angle R. Just now we have shown that angle F is equals to how much? 30 degree. And here already it is given to us that angle R is 30 degree. Means these two angles are equal. So in these two triangles, if two angles are equal, at that time we can say that these two triangles are similar by AA criterion. So this implies that triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR by which criterion? AA criterion. So in this way we have completed question number first.